Hey guys, my name is Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel SAK Creations, guys. And I'll back with latest bridal blouse design. Actually, these designs we already make, but that time we make this design on a different color. And right now we are making these are designs with a different color, with a different combination. Okay, so right now we are doing some paperwork on back neck. We are drawing on some border in the back neck. We already stitching some slim lines on a border, and we use some sugar beads line and one line 3 number moti, and again sugar beads and again long beads. Okay, so right now we are complete this patchwork and drying and leaves for 10 to 15 minutes for drying this work. When these work are dry, so it's look very clear and very easy to making these are design possible. Okay, always remember when you are doing this work and that type of work like this type, first you draw, then you leave for some minutes like 5 to 10 minutes for drying. When these are project are drying, so look like this type. So it's very comfortable for your making blouse designs and some leaf, some flowers, it's look clearly. Okay, and if you are start just you printed and then you are start work, so it's I think it's not good for your work and also for finishing. Always remember these are things. So right now we are stitching stone chain line, and these are needle named 7 number wooden needle. It's not for beginner, it's just for pro level, because beginner have no idea how to put these are needles in hand and how to move this needle. So I think this needle not very strong. Okay, and beginners have break these needles. So you use iron needles, same number 7 number, and it's very strong needle, iron needle, and this one is not strong, and this needle also very good quality and also very sharp and easy to stitching, but problem have for beginners, just for beginners. Okay, and when you have some ideas, some experience, then you use these are needles. Okay, so right now we are using 7 number needle and also normal gold spectra thread. Okay, this is not a special stitching thread. Lots of people ask me, Bhaiya, what is this thread name? So actually this is a normal thread. Okay, not a special. Right now we are on the back and stitching some leaf, sugar beads leaf. Actually these blouse designs is a very unique concept, and these are blouse designs not have any combination color, just have gold color and white some motis, long beads on the sleeves. Back neck have just border, 2 inches broad border with some half inches border. Okay, we use these are long beads in a back neck for making flowers, and we also use these and also use sugar beads. This is a very important things in a blouse designing. Okay, you already seen we are stitching right now sugar beads leaves. Okay, and also use 7 number needles, and back neck you can see lots of printed marking, but this is very simple and also gone for when your blouse was completed, you can not wash, you just finish with the plain cloth, so it's look very clear and very beautiful work. So we are back on a sleeves and we are stitching same leaf, we also stitch on a back neck. Okay, and these blouse designs have lots of work, sugar beads and gold spring have a little bit work, not a too much work. Okay, and look at these are flowers, 7 flowers, middle side 1 3 number moti, and all around long beads. You can see the flowers on a beside of fingers. Okay, and these blouse designs was a very unique concept, guys. And if you want any information about Ari classes and Ari tips and tricks, and if you don't understand my English and my tutorials, you just WhatsApp on this number. If you want any type of help according to Aariwork learning and Aariwork tips and tricks, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. And please, if I'll do any mistake of my explanation, so please forgive me, because it's very difficult for me to explain my work in English, and we are explain English because of my some family members. Everyone have no understand Hindi, so that's why we are try to explain my work in English. Okay, we are doing better day by day, but on that time we have some little bit problems. Okay, so right now we are stitching one middle side of moti, then we are stitching long beads all around, 6 long beads, and middle side have one 3 number motis. Okay, we also use 7 number needle right now and gold spectra thread. You seen we are stitching alternate color, we are not stitching just one color flowers, we are also stitching gold color and half white color. This is not a white, it's a cream color. Okay, and this material was a very high quality material and also very expensive, because we are not using any local material like sugar beet, A star and other ones. We are always stitching crystal work, because crystal was a very expensive and also very good quality. So I'll show you one more thing about handwork. This is not tips for pro levels, it's just for beginners. Okay, if you have difficulties to stitching with 7 number needles, so you can use hand needles and fold 2 thread in a 1 needles, and then you are stitching same flowers. Okay, as look at this, I'll show you in a previous step. We already use 7 number needle. Okay, if you have any idea and how to put these are needles, you do with the 7 number big needles. And if you face any difficulties to stitching these flowers with the long needles, 7 number wooden or iron needle, so you can use these tips. Okay, these hand needles was a very little 2 inches, and you just put 2 thread inside the needles and stitching same flowers. Okay, look at this, 1 long beads, 1 sugar beads, same as it is, this one completed. Okay, then we are doing 1 long beads, 1 sugar beads, same as it is. I'll just show you, because I have some aims for stitching very easy. I'll show you very easy stitching and very easy tips and tricks according Aariwork. Okay, so right now we are stitching on the top and stitching some boxes. So first we are stitching a straight line of Aari sugar beads, then we are stitching cross lines, and automatic wheel boxes was completed, and we are also stitching middle side of boxes 3 number moti. I'll show you with the next step. Okay, and if you face any problems in my tutorials and in my English, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, if you face any type of problem and how to put these needles and how to stitching and how to stitch and knot, because lots of people have problem to stitching last stitch, it's called and knot, because and knot was too much difficult for a beginners. Okay, and if you join my if you want to learn this work very clearly and very fast, you just join my classes. Okay, I'll take classes on Google Meets every week with 6 days, morning 10 to 11, every day 1 hour classes, week 6 classes. Okay, so right now we are on the top of sleeves and stitching one motif with the sugar beads on a boxes. Okay, we are cover all boxes with this, these are 3 number moti. Okay, same as it is, we are stitching all boxes, then blouse almost was ready, and some work I'll leave on the middle side of sleeves. I'll show you, wait a second. First we are stitching these all boxes, then I'll show you what we are stitching on the middle of sleeves. Look at these little springs and little templates. Okay, we are stitching some on the middle side of sleeves. Look at this sleeves look, it's a very good and it's a very beautiful blouse design. If anyone want to order these are blouse design, you just WhatsApp on this number, I'll show you on your screen. Okay, you just WhatsApp on your my number, and you want any type of blouse designs, I'll make and send it to you. We are not taking huge order, we are just taking 1 by 1 order, because we are a quality work. We have not like ready-made lines, we are taking 10 by 10 order, 20 orders, 30 order. We are not taking like this, we are taking just 1 by 1 order, and we are our specialties in customized blouse designs. Okay, these are for tassels, for back neck dories, and this tassels stitching on a last of dories because it's look very different, and also these are customer demand, so we are stitching right now. Dory tassels have a one sugar beads line, also one stone chain line, and middle side of 4 long beads. Okay, and we also cover up with the 3 kasab lines. Okay, because kasab lines is a very important. Look at this, these are blouse final look, and look at the quality, guys. Okay, and if you want these are blouse designs, and please tell me how's my work quality, and I'm really sorry for my explanation if you do not understanding this. I'll try my best, guys. I know my English was not good, but I'll try my best, and these are just I'm doing because of you guys. You are all guys not happy with my Hindi, because my 80% family members from south and also Chennai, Tamil, Telugu, so he doesn't know Hindi, so that's why we are start over tutorials in English. Look at this back neck shape, and we have lots of option in a back neck. We also stitching round neck, pot neck, U shape, as you wish. We are making everything according to your choice. Okay, and I hope you something learn from my videos, and if you like this video I'll feel very happy, and I'll try every day make best videos for you guys. And if you want this blouse design, you just do WhatsApp on the same number, and if you want any equipments like Aari jumbo kit, Aari coat, tracing machine, please do WhatsApp on the same number. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you soon with another video.